Hello everybody, and thank you for clicking onto my video. My name is Andee, and I have been wanting to post a video on YouTube since forever. But tonight's the night. This is it. I'm gonna start posting my YouTube videos for vintage jewelry. So I'm not ready to do the sales yet because I have to set up some kind of system, figure out how to do that, and then I can't have the auctions yet. But while I'm organizing my jewelry, I figured I might as well start posting so you guys can get a feel for the kind of jewelry that I will be bringing to the table. And I do hope that you like it. I have boxes and boxes, so I'll have all types, all prices, all different errors, sizes, you name it. So anyways, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So tonight, okay, let's get started. I am going to show you, I bought this bracelet this weekend at the swap meet in Huntington Beach in California. It's called, I believe it's called Golden West. I'm house sitting right now, so I like to hit all the consignment shops and vintage stores when I go out of town. So I thought it was pretty. It's not signed, but I thought it was very pretty. So that, and then this one I got just this morning at they have a thrift store out here called Savers. We don't have one by my house, but I was digging and digging through the racks, and finally I came. This is only like $2. It's Monet, in great condition. It has a little tag on it. I was like, check this out. There wasn't that much at the Savers. There were some cute things in the display cases that you have to have them pull out for you, but this was one of the things up on the wall, and it was only $2. It's like 14 inches. I love Monet. Okay, and then speaking of Monet, most of my earrings are big honker earrings for some reason. I mean, really big. So these are clip-ons. These are Monet. But they are like, my goodness, almost 2 inches. They're really big, but they're cool. I like them. And they're clip-ons. There's the stamp there somewhere. My eyes are really bad. Okay. So there's those. And then, I'll show you something fun. Now, these are not a set, but I wear them together. I think they look so adorable. These are actually Trifari. These are clip-ons too. But these are Trifari. And the little clown guy is not, I don't think he's signed. Let me see. No, but he can be a pendant or a brooch. But look how cute they look together. They look like they were made for each other. The colors are perfect, and he dangles. It's so cute. I didn't even know he was a pendant, too. I always wore him as a pin. But I got a lot of, oops, sorry. There's his face. I got a lot of compliments on this guy with these earrings. Because it looks like kind of circusy, the earrings, too. And then there was one other pin I would wear. It has little stars that dangle, too. I don't know where that's at right now. So that's kind of fun. And then I have, oh, these, I like these. These are very classy. I love this brand, Yaska. They're such good quality, and their style is, it's just like untouched. It's fantastic. I think it's up there with Chanel. It's fantastic. So these have the Baroque. I need to wipe these down. I haven't cleaned them up yet. I did wear the heck out of these, but they're in great condition. So it has the Baroque pearls, faux pearls, and then all the little rhinestones. They're a little bit on the heavy side, but it's worth it. And where's the name? Yeah, Yaska. I love this brand. And I would wear them usually with, like, I would wrap pearls, like some Baroque and some other different kinds of pearls, and layer them up, and then wear just a nice button-up shirt with a big stiff collar. They looked great. Although I'm sure you can wear them much classier ways, but... So these are on the big side, too. I told you all my earrings are really big and chunky. So that's a pair of one of my favorites. And... oh, these are the classic big old earrings that everybody needs. And these are not signed. No, these are not signed. So everybody needs these in small, medium, and large, right? And extra, super large. So these are like about an inch. Yeah, all of my earrings, all of my jewelry is big. Okay. Let's see. These are on the lighter side. These are, I think this is it Anne Klein? Because they're not signed. I think that lion is Anne Klein. Anyways, these are cute. There's those. And these are clip-ons too. And they're signed. Whenever I sell clip-ons, I always take this little puffy thing out. I just haven't done it yet. And then I wipe them with alcohol, but I always take these out. And then even on the pierced earrings, I'll take the backs off unless they're real silver or real gold, and I'll replace them with new backs and wipe down the posts with alcohol. So this is GJD, and they're kind of weighty. Gosh, I'm sorry, I'm so flimsy today. Come on now. But they have a good weight to them too, and they have that like buttery finish feel, you know. They're really nice. I like this feel. I don't know. Some jewelry just comes this way. It feels so good. And it never dulls. I know it's not silver. I don't know. It's some kind of plating on them. So anyways, those are big honkers too. But these ones are very comfortable. Okay. And these, where's the other one? Oh, here it is. I don't know how you say this brand, but I have a lot of this. Berebi. They do a lot of enamel, but I don't have them all out yet. These ones are pierced, clip-on, but a lot of the ones I have are pierced. And it's the same brand. Wait, I have a pair right here somewhere. Yeah, I just have it. Where'd it go? Oh, like, see. But they always have enamel, like an enamel finish, but most of them are pierced. I just haven't gotten to that box yet. So these ones are pretty, though. I don't think I have my camera set up right, but I'll learn. So these ones are big, too. like an inch, a little over an inch and a half in length. They're very nice though. These ones are very nice. Let's see. Oh, I love this ring. It's an adjustable ring, and it's kind of starting to fade on the back, but I don't care because I just love this ring. Well, you'd have to adjust it to fit your finger, but oh, I wonder why it's not fitting right now. Do I wear it on my pinky? I guess I do. But it's so nice. It is starting to fade a little bit on the bottom though. And it's adjustable, but it's actually, it feels like good quality up here. I wish there was a way to fix that. But look at that. Bam. I love this ring. All right. Here's a pair of pierced. These ones, oops. These Swarovski. Ooh, that's a neighbor. My goodness. Okay, gosh. I stick my fingers all over it. You can't even see them. It's these nails. So these are Swarovski. And I would put a new back and clean them up. They're not even cleaned up yet. These ones are not that big. Oh. That's what I call not that big. Half an inch. They're kind of heavy though. I'm gonna try not to make my videos too long right now because it's just previews of stuff. Oh, check out these earrings. These are huge. I normally would not, this is not my style, but these are Signer. And there it is right here. But check out how big they are. They're just enormous. But the reason I wore them quite a few times because, okay, look how big they are. They're just like these massive button earrings, and then the dome is huge on them. But then at a different sale, I found, and it's not a set, and it actually, the color doesn't even match all the way, but look at how cute they look together. It's so cute. And when you wear this as a pin, it's kind of further down, so you can't really tell that the colors don't match exactly, but pretty cute. So I would probably sell that as a set. And then I got my puppy. So this, I'm not sure. It probably already, I think I made up this wonderful idea, but it probably was made for that. See how it has a curve? I wear him on my shoulder. And it fits perfect on my shoulder. He's like 4.5, almost 5 inches long. It's a brooch. And he is so cute. So he just sits right on top of my shoulder. His little green eyes. And he's not signed. So I don't know, maybe it was made to be that way, but it does fit perfectly on your shoulder. Yeah, puppy. Okay. I'm going to show you 2 more pieces maybe. Okay. All right, these ones. Maybe something dressy for the holidays. I don't remember who made these. Irwin Pearl? Oh, these are Joseph Mazer. Oops. These ones are about 1 inch in diameter too. And they're clip-on. And I do have a lot of pierced too. If you like pierced, it's just, I mean, I have literally boxes to go through. I haven't gotten to those yet. Ooh, I got this at that Savers today too, but I haven't even cleaned it up yet. Check this out. This is only like $6, $6.50. But it's not cleaned up yet. I think, what was this? Andee. No, this is not Pierre. Yeah, this was not Pierre. I was like, $6. I think this is not Pierre. Yeah. I'm like, I will take it. I think that Monet was $2. But I was digging in there for like 2 hours finding all this stuff. I got a couple other pieces from there too, but I'll show you those later. And then sometimes I'm going to sell stuff like, just like little things I come across. This is so pretty, you know. One year I bought a bunch of these as gifts for Christmas, and I have a couple of them left over. And just little things like that. Magnifying glass. Or if I find antique, just little trinkets. I have a couple little trinkets already that I wanted to sell. They're really pretty, small ones that I can ship. And I think that's it for, oh, here's another pair. I haven't cleaned these up yet either, but these are fun for the holidays. You know, you put that, pull this out, oops. Then this goes to the back, and this goes through the hole of your ear and becomes the earring. And these are on the bottom. These are fun. So, anyways, there it is, my first video. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, or if you like this kind of jewelry, if you could, I sound a little desperate, if you could hit subscribe. As you can see, I have 0 subscribers. So I don't know how long it's going to take until they let me have an auction. But I will get some sales posted. I don't know the prices on this stuff yet, but everything is going to be for sale. So I'm going to try and post something every day, kind of to build that little algorithm. So please look for my videos, and if you like this jewelry, then please hit subscribe. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up or leave a comment. Any suggestions, I am open to any suggestions that you have. I'm totally new at this, and am very open to anything. If the lighting's wrong, the sound's wrong, or if, you know, there's certain kinds of jewelry you would like to see, please feel free to leave a comment, because I think that's supposed to help too, right? I'll get this thing. Okay, thanks for stopping by. I hope to see you again. I'm going to try to post a video every day. Okay, thanks, guys. Bye.